Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain tricks to solve NEET questions. Under this heading, today we are going to see the fifth unit, that is states of matter, gases and liquids. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. So, under this chapter, as a teacher, it is my duty, I have to inform what are the topics you have to study. Number one, attractive forces between gases. You have to study. Number two, gas laws. Under the gas laws, you have to study Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, Dalton's law of partial pressure, Avogadro's law, and Cragham's law of diffusion. So, under the gas law, so many gas laws you have to study and you have to memorize each equations. Each gas law, there is equation you have to memorize because problem will be asked. And third, kinetic theory of gases. Postulates is the most important you have to memorize. Because only from these postulates, the ideal gas equation was derived. So next, ideal gas. Real gas, then liquefaction of gases under these critical constants, the critical volume, critical pressure and critical temperature we have to study. Under the properties of liquids, kindly follow. So we have to study vapor pressure of a liquid, surface tension and viscosity we have to study. So after studying all these things, then we have to go for the answer the questions. So let me explain now one by one the question asked under this unit. The first question is asked in 2016 under the NEET. Equal moles of hydrogen and oxygen gases, equal moles, or equal moles of hydrogen and oxygen gases are placed in a container with a pinhole through which both can escape. Both can escape. What fraction of oxygen escapes in the time required for one half of the hydrogen to escape? Kindly follow. Kindly understand this question. So this is coming under the Cragham's law of diffusion, by reading the question itself, So let me explain this. So this question, kindly follow. Asked under the unit, states of matter, gases and liquid, subtopic, Cragham's law of diffusion. What is Cragham's law of diffusion? The rate of any gas is diffuses through a orifice, a pinhole, is inversely proportional to its density or square root of its density or inversely proportional to square root of its molecular mass. That is the formula. So, here they have given two. One is oxygen, another is hydrogen. So, let me take here the value, kindly follow. So the rate of oxygen divided by rate of hydrogen. So I am giving in this case inversely proportional. I am writing in this way, root of MH2, mass of H2, mass of O2. This is the formula you have to apply. Please follow. But a rate we can give in the form of mole by time. Number of moles by time. That is, here also we can explain in the way of volume by time also we can. So moles by time, that means NO2 by T or NH2 by T. So T cancel, I can simply write this. So this is nothing but I know the molecular mass 2 hydrogen, 32 oxygen. So root 2 by root 32. So let me take here the common factor, that is the root of everything, that is 2 means 2 by 32, 1 by 16. So better I will write 1 by 16 nothing but 1 by 4. So now kindly follow. So the NO2 number of moles diffuses divided by number of moles hydrogen equal to 1 by 4. The ratio is 1 by 4. But that they have asked, suppose if hydrogen is of 1/2, if it is diffused, what the number of moles of gas which is getting diffused. So NO2 by half, that is equal to 1 by 4 we have calculated. So what is NO2? So 1 by 4, kindly follow, it is given. So that is multiplied by 1 by 2. So automatically answer is 1 by 8 is the correct answer. Please follow. So just see the option now. Correct answer is 1 by 8 is the correct answer. So this is asked under the Cragham's law of diffusion. Please follow. The formula is rate is inversely proportional to square root of heat density, or rate is inversely proportional to square root of molecular mass. Kindly follow. This is the law, Cragham's law. Okay. Question number 2. This is another interesting question. It is asked in 2018, NEET 2018. Given van der Waals constant A, you know already A for pressure, van der Waals correction, and B for van der Waals correction for volume. This is for pressure. So given van der Waals constant A for ammonia, H2O2 and CO2 are respectively, values are given as 4.17, 0.244, 1.36 and 3.59. Which one of the following gases most easily liquefy? Please follow. This question often asked in all question papers. So what is the relationship between this van der Waals constant and the liquefations? Let me explain first. So this question is asked under the chapter unit states of matter, gases and liquids. Subtopic, it is coming under the real gases, van der Waals constant. So it is applicable for van der Waals constant or real gases. Please follow. Now let me give the explanation. The units A and units B depend upon the units of pressure and volume. Normal ideal gas PV equal to nRT. So kindly follow what we are applying when you are writing the van der Waals constants. We are writing now P plus A by V square into V minus B equal to RT. This is the normally we are writing for 1 mole of van der Waals constant, van der Waals equation or real gas. So what is the here? A by V squared is the A is the only, A by V squared is the only the applied correction for the pressure. Please follow. Now A units atmosphere decimeter to the power of 6 mole to the power of minus 2. B decimeter cube mole to the power of minus 1. Then van der Waals constant A depends on intermolecular force of attraction. Please follow. This is the most important. Now what is the tricks here? Please note this point. Higher the value of A, please note this is not given in book. Higher the value of A, gas will be easily liquefied. Here, ammonia was having higher value 4.17, so hence it can be easily liquefied. Kindly follow. So this is the tricks, you have to keep it in your mind. Higher the value of A, gas will be easily liquefied. Just see here, among this what are the value? Ammonia 4.17. That is the correct answer. Please follow. So what you have to memorize? In the case of A, whatever gas having higher van der Waals constant A, that gas can be easily liquefied. Please follow. The third question, kindly follow. The correction factor A to the ideal gas equation to A, electric field present between the gas molecule, B, volume of the gas molecule, C, density of the gas molecule, D, forces of attraction between gas molecule. Kindly follow. Again, this question is asked under NEET 18. Kindly follow. Unit, states of matter, gases and liquid, but coming under real gases, van der Waals gas. Please follow. So very simple this is. Kindly follow. The correction factor A to the ideal gas equation corresponds to electric field. Nothing to do with that. No. Volume of the gas molecule. No. Density of the gas molecule. No. Easy. Forces of attraction between the gas molecule. Because we are applying correction for pressure is only A we are using. So it's a direct question. There is no tricks required. Question number 4, asked in NEET 19. Please follow. A gas at 350 Kelvin and 15 bar, that is atmosphere, has volume, molar volume 20% smaller than for an ideal gas. 20% smaller than that of an ideal gas under same condition. The correct option about the gas and compressibility factor is, kindly follow this question. Option A, Z is less than 1 and attractive forces are dominate. Option B, Z less than 1 and repulsive forces are dominate. C, Z is greater than 1 and attractive forces are dominate. And D, Z greater than 1 and repulsive forces are dominate. So there is no tricks required. It is only based on, you must understand what is the compressibility factor regarding ideal and real gas. If you understand, easily you can answer this question. So that is the trick here. Let me explain now. As usual, the question was asked under the unit gases and liquids under the states of matter. That is, the subtopic is ideal gas, specifically compressibility factor. So I have to explain what is compressibility factor. Please follow. We know for ideal gas, PV equal to nRT. That is an ideal gas equation. We can derive from this easily. The theory, kindly follow. Hence, Z is the term used for the compressibility factor, that is equal to PV by nRT, where Z is the compressibility factor. For ideal gas, Z equal to 1. Please note, my dear student, this is question asked. Z equal to, for ideal gas, Z equal to 1 at all temperature and pressure. For a gas which shows deviation from ideal gas, what gas will deviate? Real gas. The value of Z deviate from unity. Therefore, for real gas, Z is not equal to 1. Please follow. That is not equal to 1 means it may be less than 0 or greater than 0. It is not 1. So, Z equal to normally V real by V ideal. Therefore, if V ideal is greater than V real, Z is less than 1. Please follow. Then, the attractive forces are dominate. Please follow. Attractive forces are dominate among gaseous molecule and liquefaction is easy. This is the answer for the question. Please follow. So, option is A is the correct answer. Please follow, my dear students. So, next question. Question number 5, asked in NEET 17, 2017. Question number 5. A 20-liter container at 400 degree Kelvin contains carbon dioxide gas at a pressure of 0.4 atmosphere, and the excess of strontium oxide neglects the volume of solid. The volume of the container is now decreased by moving the movable piston fitted in the container. So the volume is reduced. The maximum volume of the container when pressure of carbon dioxide attains its maximum value will be. So they have given a stoichiometric equation for that. Kindly follow. What is that? Strontium carbonate solid, strontium oxide solid giving, this is on decomposition, giving carbon dioxide gas. Kp 1.6 atmosphere. Kindly follow. That is equilibrium constant is given 1.6 atmosphere. Options are A equal to 2 liters, B equal to 5 liters, C equal to 10 liters, and D equal to 4 liters. So, let me go for, as usual, the topic. Kindly follow. So this is actually given wrongly. This is coming under matter, gases and liquids. So wrongly typed. Sorry for my dear students. The unit is matter under this gases and liquids. Subtopic Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? PV equal to RT. That is the Boyle's law. Or P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Kindly follow. Now let me explain this equation. Kindly follow. SrCO3 solid on the decomposition giving SRO solid plus carbon dioxide. So Kp value 1.6 atmosphere. So at constant temperature, that is according to Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. So all the data are given. What is P1 0.4, V1 20, and P2 1.6, and we have to determine the V2. So what is the volume of V2? When carbon dioxide is liberated completely from the strontium carbonate. So V2 equal to 0.4 into 20 divided by 0.16. So how we have to, so whenever dividing this tricks you must know. Don't keep any fraction and do. So I will remove 0.4 as 4 by 10. Please follow what we are doing. Into 20. And I am removing 1.6, 16 above 10. The tricks here is whenever any fraction, just opposite side you have to add the, if 1 decimal 10, 2 decimal 100, 3 decimal 1000, like that. So what happen? 10 cancel and 4 times. So automatically answer will be 20 by 4, 5 liters. Very easily you can calculate. Normally question will be asked only the easiest way. They are not expecting you have to do calculations, but they want only the application-oriented idea. Whether you are applying suitably the units and substituting, that's all. But some case only a complicated multiplication and division will come. Kindly follow. So correct answer is 5. So let me come for the answer is 5. Next question, kindly follow. So the option here it is, kindly follow. That is the 5 is the correct answer. 5 liters is the correct answer. So now next I will go for the next question. 6. A mixture of nitrogen gas and argon gases in a cylinder contains 7 grams of nitrogen and 8 grams of argon. So in the containers, 7 grams of nitrogen and 8 grams of argon. If the total pressure of the mixer of the gases in the cylinder is 27 bar, that is 27 atmosphere, the partial pressure of nitrogen is. So they have given atomic mass. And it is a fortunate they are given. Even if it is not given, it is your duty, you have to memorize. Anyhow, it is given. Atomic nitrogen is 14, argon is 40. So options are A 15 bar, B 18 bar, C 9 bar, D 12 bar. So let me go for the idea. This is asked under the unit states of matter, gases and liquids. Subtopic Dalton's law of partial pressure. What is Dalton's law of partial pressure? Kindly you must know. So let me explain. What is the Dalton's law of partial pressure is? That is total pressure equal to sum of the partial pressures of individual gases. This is the law. So total pressure is equal to, that is according to Dalton's law, total pressure of a mixer is equal to sum of the partial pressures of the mixing gases, 1, 2, 3, etc. What is partial fraction? We can even calculate partial fraction, nothing but x1 into total pressure. So you can even calculate this. This also you must have the tricks. So let me come for the question now. So in this case, kindly follow. So nitrogen, that is gas, I have taken nitrogen and argon. Molar mass 28, argon, molar mass 40. The mass, it is given the question 7 grams, this is 8 grams. So we can calculate mole. What is mole? Please follow. The mole equal to weight by atomic weight in the case of atomic element, argon atomic element. If it is mole equal to weight by molecular weight, it is in the case of N2, molecular element or molecular mass. This you must to have it in mind. This is the tricks, you must to have it in mind. So general term for this is molar mass. When you say molar mass, it may be atomic mass or it may be molecular mass. So let me come back. So what is molar? Now you can say this is a molecular element, 7 by 28 molecular mass. This is atomic element, so 8 by 40, 40 is the atomic weight. So I am getting the value 7 by 28, 1 by 4, 8 by 40, 1 by 5. So I am taking a common factor 9. So automatically it will be 4:5. Please follow. That is 20. That is common factor 24:5 we are getting now. Because 5, 4, then 25, 5. So what will happen now? So I will take here 4 plus 5, that is the corresponding ratio of gases present in the nitrogen and argon. So it is given what is the partial pressure of a nitrogen. So partial pressure here it is actually it is given nitrogen is it is asked. So it is nitrogen is 5. Kindly follow. Nitrogen is 5. So 5 total divided by total is 5 plus 4 9. So it is given our total pressure is 27. Kindly follow. 5 into 27 divided by 9. This is the problem. So you just cross it 3 times. 3 into 5, 15. Easy. 15 bar is the correct answer. Very, very easy. So if you understand the problem easily, it's a matter of few seconds. Listen, in the examination, you need not write all these steps. This I am giving only to understand for you. What immediately you have to do? Simply write N2 R2, N2 or AR, the 7 by 28, 8 by 40 by click and 5 by 4. Immediately you calculate. It's a 10 second. You can solve the problem. So the correct answer is A. 15 bar. Please follow. So, my dear students, I have come to the conclusion. So, thank you very much for the students who are coming for the first time to see my video, that is NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G in the YouTube channel. If you are the newcomer, please kindly click subscribe button and share with your friends. Let them also enjoy and get benefit. Well, that is during the period of Corona, 2 years or 2 to 3 years Corona period. As a chemist, I was simply sitting in my house. So I started this channel. I have prepared the material for this channel to start a channel so that I can help poor students of India. So my aim is only this channel should reach the students of poor people, especially in villages. Now the media is going everywhere. Everybody having phone, everybody having internet. So if you have a phone with internet, enough. You can reach easily the video. So kindly visit my channel, NEET Chemistry by by Dr.R.G. So I have discussed all the units, including 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard and 12th standard theory. And now I am discussing the questions. Please follow. This is the regarding. Please convey this information, students who are viewing this video, to others. Another most important information I want to convey for students studying +1, +2 or +2 completed. So you are having a very good opportunity we are providing to you. That is, we are running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 20 years, more than 20 years. And all our achievement, if you want to view, visit our Vetri Daughters and visit the home page. All our achievement is separately given. Achievement in the menu, if you enter, everything will come in photograph. Year-wise, students, rank, everything will come. So 1 or 2 important evidences I will give now. Achievement. First achievement. In 2003, one of our students, R. Raghavan from 5.Tricks School, came All India first rank in JIPMER entrance examination. At that time, NEET common entrance examination was not there. So this is our achievement. Second achievement, kindly follow. For the last 20 years, except 1 or 2 years, all the 20 years, except 17 or 18 years, Pondicherry first rank were taken by our Vetri Coaching Center. Students from Vetri Coaching Center got Pondicherry first rank. Verified by going the web page and the achievement. You can see the photograph, school, everything will be given. And third achievement, every year we are sending 10 to 20 students to the JIPMER Medical College through our center. 150 to 200 students are joining other medical colleges through government quota by merit. Few students are joining IIT, hundreds of students joining the other engineering colleges. This is our achievement. Kindly follow. So coming for the important feature of Vetri Daughters. What is this Vetri Daughters is a very good platform for students without going outside for tuition or coaching. You can stay in your house and you can get minimum 600 to 700 marks by joining Vetri Daughters. But the cost is very, very low, only 10,000 rupees per year. Please follow. So I am previously charging 45. Now I have reduced only 10,000 in order to reach the poor people. Kindly follow. Others are collecting in lakhs. But our features is very, very important features not available in other online coaching. So this Vetri Daughters having 200 video lesson and 200 unit test. Kindly follow. 200 video lesson taken by professors with a PhD degree and 20 to 30 years of experience in teaching IIT, medical and BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD classes. So you can feel a classroom atmosphere by looking the video. Video full of notes. Please follow all other online. You just see. The person will speak. They will show some graphics. But that's all. You cannot take any notes. but it is different from us. Vetty daughters, everything that just you have seen the problem, no, the same way. What I am discussing, go inside the playlist and see the theory also. Everything full of notes. You can touch the video, you take the photograph or even screenshot or even take notes. Everything is there. We are keeping the standard up to BSc level. Please follow. Another important information, we have 200 unit tests. Each unit have 2 tests in the Vetty daughters. So here, what has happened now? There is a special menu is there, the attempt. If you click attempt, it will open. It will show everything. Question will show, the clock will run, and menu will be there. That is the center is complete, right side next, left side reverse, and below this 1 to 45 number. What is the interesting application we are having but others are not having is, when you are clicking the question number 1, A is the correct option, immediately below the question number 1 becomes green color. That means you have attended the question number 1. This facility is not available in other online coaching. So suppose after 20 minutes, suppose you are attending the unit test in our Vetty daughters. After 20 minutes, you can see that time, you can see how many questions you have attended, you can see how many questions you have to attend. This comparison we cannot get anywhere. So that is the advantage we are having. So after finishing, you press complete, immediately it will calculate marks. That is 4 marks. If it is correct answer, 4 marks, wrong answer -4, everything it will, software will calculate and give the marks. So let us assume now you are getting first 140 by 180 you are getting, because 45 into 4, 180. Now go do one thing. Go through below that we are having a video solution. Kindly follow. There is a review menu is there. If you click review, the window will open. In the window, you can see this is the most important option. Your answer, ticked answer, it will be in blue color. We are giving A, B, C, D option, and D below D we are giving correct answer in yellow color. You compare with yellow. So you can say self-assessment you can do. You are right, well, question is, answer is right or wrong, you can assess yourself. You need not ask anybody, not necessary to go to teacher, to library, to books. Simply it is given. Even if you are, after seeing the answer, if you are not able to follow, below we are giving a solution that is in the video solution. Please follow. It is not typed matter. Video. Professor will handle the class just like how I have handled the problem. The same way they will handle the problem. Please follow. So it is the cost is very, very low cost. Please follow. So if you want to join, pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi. Indian Bank account number 712719471. IFC code IDIB000P134. Cell number 98941764225. It is a WhatsApp number also. Thank you very much for the kind cooperation. See you again in my next topic. Bye-bye.